In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Depop. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through Depop and realized that the prices are in a currency that isn't your preference, don't worry, this guide will show you how to switch it up. First, you'll need to open Depop on your mobile device as this feature isn't available on the website. Once you have the app open, ensure that you are logged into your account. Next, head over to the settings. To do this, you'll start by tapping on your profile icon, which you can find at the bottom right corner of the app. From there, look to the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon. Tap this gear icon to access all the settings available to you. Now that you're in the settings, the next move is scrolling down to find the currency options. Depending on your version of the app, the currency setting might either be directly listed or tucked away under the Accounts section. Go ahead and tap on Currency when you find it. This will take you to a list of available currencies that you can choose from. Once you see the list, select the currency you'd like to use, whether it's USD, GBP, EUR, or any other available option. After making your selection, the app will automatically update everything, from item listings to your wallet balance and even checkout prices, to reflect your preferred currency. This should help make your shopping or selling experience on Depop more intuitive and convenient. Finally, ensure that all your changes have been applied. Double check that the currency selection you've made is saved and is now displaying correctly in the app. If it's a match, you're all set. From now on, any item listings, your wallet balance, and checkout prices will be in the currency you selected, making it easier to manage your transactions and understand prices at a glance. And that wraps up how you can change the currency on your Depop app. Adjusting this setting can make a significant difference whether you are a seller trying to cater to an international market or a buyer trying to get the best deals. Thanks for watching and hope this tutorial was helpful to streamline your Depop experience.